In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Telegram group links quickly and easily. Whether you're managing a community, running a business group, or coordinating with a team, having a shareable invite link makes it simple for new members to join. This method works perfectly on Telegram Web and takes just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Look through your conversations and click on the Telegram group you want to create or copy an invite link for. This will open the group chat in the main window. Next, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group name along with the member count. Click directly on the group name at the top. This will open the group information panel where you can manage settings, members, and invite options. In the group information panel, scroll down until you see the option labeled Invite Links. Click on it to access your group's invitation settings. This is where you can view existing links or create new ones. Now you have two options. If you already have an invite link that you want to use, simply locate it in the list and click Copy to copy the existing link to your clipboard. If you need a fresh link with custom settings or expiration dates, click on Create a New Link. Telegram will generate a unique shareable URL for your group. Once the link is created, click Copy to save it to your clipboard, and that's it. You now have a Telegram group invite link that you can share via email, social media, messaging apps, or anywhere else you want to invite new members. This link allows people to join your group instantly without needing approval, unless you've set specific join permissions. If this video helped you understand how to add and manage Telegram group links, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy tech tutorials.